Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 GMC Yukon. Stock number is A7944. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are the blackout alloy wheels, and they are wrapped with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls. Cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.